Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 17 of Building Your Own Batmobile Tumbler. We're continuing work inside the cockpit area today after looking through the magazine. We're watching out for the cape. Not sure what that's all about. Riding a motorbike with a cape is probably not a great idea. They didn't think that was going to be a problem. Maybe had trouble with that. Good stuff. Who is Dick Grayson? That is the question. Who is it's Robin, and we knew that already. Spoiler. There we go. Nightwing. Nightwing is the word that springs to mind, but I'm not entirely certain. I think it's probably true, but it might not be. It's quite a nice looking cover. I like that. It's good. That's Legends of the Dark Knight number 100. So the instructions for this is the 2 joystick supports and a new display panel. So we're basically putting that together. Nice, easy, quick build using the base that we were building before, and that's that. It's going to look like that. And next time we have got some joysticks. So yeah, obviously we need to put the joystick positioning in place before we can put that on. So let me clear this out of the way. I'll bring in the parts and we'll get that bit built. Nice and easy. We've got all of the parts required. Another little display panel that has a transparent back, so it's probably going to be illuminated. I don't know for sure. We've got the bit that we built last time, the articulated thing. Some other bits and another packet of EP screws, which we're going to be using, I think, 3 of. Let's see, how many have they given us in this packet? More than 3. So let's put one of those back in there for now. I do like, I've mentioned it before, I do like the cardboard packets. Not as easy to reseal and do things with, but much more environmentally friendly than the little bags. So yes, what we're doing, we're starting off with the back bracket, which goes over there, just like that. It's got a thing that everything pulls apart when you touch it. So let me get that back where it should be. It's that way round. Display part goes into those little holes there, and that just sits on there. Goes on there, come on. There you go. I don't know if that should be tighter than that, or if it's just me. There you go. I clipped it in place. I might not have done that last time. That's all on there fine. So this goes on there like that. There is a bit of steerage option going on there. So this is being held in place with one of these EP screws and that washer. So if I can get that through there like that, and that way up, that will go in there. Not so easy to do like this. I might need to see what I'm doing. There we go. That goes on there like that. We can get that tightened up all the way, and that washer will do its job. Hold that in place, secure but not, not wobbly, but working. So that goes on there like so. Next up, we are putting these onto here. Now they do have a particular way around to go. As you can see on there, on that side there is sort of a up and down cutout, and on this side it's on 90 degrees. So you can only get these one way around because this one only has the cutout up and down. You need to position it so the 2 holes are on the outside, and indeed, as the manual says about this key piece being in that direction, this one goes on the other side in exactly the same way, but as I say, it's got the keyed out pieces at 90 degrees, so you can only get it on that side as well. So that goes in there like that, and then that goes on the front there like that, and that's where the other 2 screws come in from the back through this into that. So all 3 pieces are held together with a single screw, although that first one's pretty much held in place anyway. I'll get that in there a little bit, then come back and tighten it up once the other side is secure. No, it will not be illuminated. I've just decided because it's obviously all now enclosed in there with no bulb. Didn't look like it looked like it was transparent, but not with a display printed on it or anything like that. So it wouldn't look like a display. It just looked like a panel on there. So that is that. Is that the main control thing that he steers with like that? Probably. I think that's probably the case. But we'll find out soon. Next time, as I say, we're going to be installing the joysticks to that. So I'm looking forward to that. And that is another issue done. Nice and easy. They're coming together quite quickly. They're sending them out in batches of 6 for me, but it's taking a little longer than a month to get to me. So I don't know. I didn't say that when I signed up for it, I'm sure, but it's fine. It still works out to be the same cost per month sort of thing. But it's sort of every 6 weeks they're sending out 6. So that's fair enough. I'm happy enough with that, but it's just a little bit unexpected. So if you are starting this, that's probably how it's going to be, unless it's just me. It might be just me. They're doing special things. I doubt it. I'm not special. So thank you very much for watching. I shall see you very soon for the joystick issue, and we'll see you for that very shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.